Good morning to everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about diagonalization of state matrix and also going to discuss about process of diagonalization by considering small example. Coming to concept of diagonalization, the process of converting non-diagonal system matrix into diagonal system matrix is called diagonalization. Here, diagonal matrix is nothing but the matrix in which only diagonal elements are not equal to 0 and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. That type of matrix is called diagonal matrix. That is, if we consider this matrix, that is matrix 1 0 0 5. In this, these are the diagonal elements which are not equal to 0 and these are the non-diagonal elements which are equal to 0. This type of matrix is called diagonal matrix. And coming to non-diagonal matrix, this is exactly opposite to diagonal matrix. The matrix in which both non-diagonal elements and diagonal elements are not equal to 0. That type of matrix is called non-diagonal matrix. If we consider matrix 2 3 1 4, in this all the elements are not equal to 0. That type of matrix is called non-diagonal matrix. And this process, that is converting non-diagonal system matrix into diagonal system matrix, is called diagonalization. Consider state equation of a state model. We already know this equation, that is x dot of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into e of t. Here A is the system matrix. This system matrix is the non-diagonal system matrix. Now we have to make this non-diagonal system matrix into diagonal system matrix. In order to make this non-diagonal system matrix to diagonal system matrix, we have to substitute x of t is equal to m into z of t. This is new model. Here M is the model matrix. Now we are going to substitute x of t is equal to m into z of t in this equation in order to get the non-diagonal system matrix into diagonal system matrix. The state equation for a state model x dot of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into e of t. In this, we are going to substitute x of t is equal to m into z of t for getting the diagonal state matrix. Here m is the model matrix and z of t is the state variable. By substituting m into z of t in this equation, we are getting this equation, that is m into z dot of t, that is equal to a into m into z of t plus b into e of t. We require z dot of t. In order to get the z dot of t, move this m to right side. Then z dot of t is equal to a into m into z of t by m plus b into e of t by m. Take this m to numerator. Then we are getting z dot of t is equal to m inverse into a into m into z of t plus m inverse into b into e of t. This is the new state equation. In this equation, this matrix, that is m inverse into a into m, is the diagonal matrix. This is the new state equation with diagonal system matrix or diagonal state matrix, that is z dot of t is equal to m inverse into a into m into z of t plus m inverse into b into e of t. In this equation, this one, that is m inverse into a into m, is the diagonal state matrix. For finding this matrix, we require the matrix M. Here matrix M is nothing but model matrix. This model matrix is the combination of eigenvectors C1 and C2. These eigenvectors are given as C1 is equal to matrix C11, C22, C21. Similarly, C2 is equal to matrix C12, C22. After finding these eigenvectors, we are going to calculate the matrix M. After finding matrix M, we can get the diagonal state matrix. Now, with an example, we are going to discuss the process of diagonalization. Coming to example, obtain the diagonalization system matrix of a system which is described by the state equation. Here state equation is given as x dot of t is equal to matrix 3 4 2 1 into x of t plus matrix 0 1 into u of t. In this one is a state matrix or system matrix, which is non-diagonal state matrix. Now we have to obtain the diagonal state matrix by using the process of diagonalization. This is the new state equation. In this matrix is the diagonal state matrix or diagonal system matrix, that is M inverse into A into M. For finding this matrix, first we have to find out the model matrix M. That is, model matrix M is given as M is equal to matrix C1 C2. Here C1 and C2 are the eigenvectors. Those are given as C1 is equal to matrix C11 C21. Similarly, C2 is equal to matrix C12 C22. For finding the eigenvectors, we require the eigenvalues. Here each eigenvalue gives the one eigenvector. So first go for finding the eigenvalues. For finding eigenvalues, we require the characteristic equation of a state model, that is given as determinant of Si minus A is equal to 0. Here I is the identity matrix and A is the system matrix. The order of this identity matrix depends upon the order of system matrix A. In the given problem, the system matrix of the order of 2 by 2. So we have to consider identity matrix of the order 2 by 2. Then determinant of Si minus A is equal to S into identity matrix of 2 by 2. Similarly, system matrix, that is this matrix is in the given problem. By simplifying this one, we are getting this one, that is determinant of matrix S minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 S minus 1. Now find out the determinant of this one, that is AD minus BC, that is S minus 3 into S minus 1 minus minus 2 into minus 4. This becomes plus 8, that is minus 8. Then by simplifying this one, we are getting S square minus 4S minus 5. By simplifying this one, we are getting S plus 1 into S minus 5. Then S is equal to minus 1 and S is equal to 5 are the eigenvalues. Here we are going to find out the eigenvectors for the eigenvalue of minus 1 and eigenvalue of 5. Now go for finding the eigenvectors. Each eigenvalue gives the one eigenvector. So first consider first eigenvalue, that is S is equal to minus 1, and this is the equation for finding the first eigenvector C1, that is Si minus A into C1 is equal to 0. Here S1 represents the first eigenvalue. Now substitute S1 value and identity matrix and system matrix and eigenvector C1 in this equation. By substituting all these equations, we are getting this equation, that is S1 is nothing but minus 1 into 2 by 2 identity matrix minus A, that is system matrix, into C1. C1 is nothing but matrix C11 C21. Now by using matrix subtraction, simplify this entire equation, that is minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4, minus 1 into 0 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. Similarly 1 into 0 is 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1, that is minus 2, into matrix C11 C21 is equal to 0. These are the resultant matrices, that is matrix minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 into matrix C11 C21 is equal to 0. Now simplify these two matrices, that is minus 4 into C11 minus 4 into C21 is equal to 0, that is this equation. Similarly minus 2 into C11 minus 2 into C21, that is equal to 0, that is second equation. By solving these two equations, we can get the C11 and C21 values, but C11 and C21 values becomes 0, that is nothing but trivial solutions we are going to get, but eigenvectors require the non-trivial solutions. In order to get the non-trivial solutions, substitute C11 is equal to 1 in any one equation, then we are going to get the C21 is equal to minus 1. So first eigenvector C1 is equal to matrix 1 minus 1. Similarly, we are going to calculate the second eigenvector by using the second eigenvalue. Similarly, go for second eigenvector by considering the second eigenvalue. Here second eigenvalue is 5, and this is the equation for finding the second eigenvector C2. That is S2 into I minus A into C2 is equal to 0. Here S2 represents the second eigenvalue, and I is the identity matrix, and A is the system matrix, and C2 is the second eigenvector. Now substitute all these values in this equation. Then we are going to get this one. That is 5 into identity matrix of order 2 by 2 minus system matrix into eigenvector. Now simplify this entire equation. That is 5 into 1 5 minus 3, that is 2. 5 into 0 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. 5 into 0 is 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. 5 into 1 is 5 minus 1, that is 4, into matrix C1 to C22 is equal to 0. These are the resultant matrices. Now simplify these resultant matrices, then we are going to get 2 into C12 minus 4 into C22. That is the first equation. Similarly, minus 2 into C12 plus 4 into C22. That is the second equation. By solving these two equations, we are going to get the C12 as well as C22 values. But we are going to get the trivial solutions. But eigenvector requires the non-trivial solution. In order to get the non-trivial solution, consider C22 is equal to 1 and substitute this C22 value in any one equation. Then we are going to get the C12, that is C12 is equal to 2. Then second eigenvector C2 is equal to matrix 2 1. By using each eigenvalue, we get the each eigenvector. Now go for model matrix. That is model matrix M is equal to matrix C1 C2. We get the C1 value and C2 value. Substitute C1 and C2 in this equation, then we are getting M is equal to matrix 1 2 minus 1 2. Now find out the inverse of this model matrix. The inverse of 2 by 2 matrix is 1 by AD minus BC into, we are going to interchange these two elements and we are going to complement these two elements. Therefore, M inverse is equal to 1 by AD minus BC. That is AD is 1 into 1 minus 1 into 2. That is this one into, we are going to interchange these two, 1 1, and we are going to complement. So minus 2 1. So we are going to get M inverse is equal to 1 by 3 into matrix 1 minus 2 1 1. We already know the diagonal state matrix, that is M inverse into A into M. Here M is the model matrix and A is the system matrix, and M inverse is the inverse of this model matrix. We already got model matrix, and from the problem we know the system matrix, and from the model matrix we got the M inverse. Now substitute all these matrices in this equation. Then we are getting this one, that is 1 by 3 into matrix 1 minus 2 1 1 into system matrix, that is matrix 3 4 2 1 into model matrix matrix 1 2 minus 1 1. Now by using matrix multiplication, simplify these two matrices. This thing up to this one is same, that is 1 by 3 into matrix 1 minus 2 1 1, and by simplifying these two matrices we are getting this matrix, that is matrix minus 1 10 1 5. Again by using matrix multiplication, simplify these two matrices, that is 1 by 3 into, by simplifying these two matrices we are getting this matrix, that is matrix minus 3 0 0 15. Now multiply each and every element of this matrix with 1 by 3. By multiplying we are going to get this matrix, that is matrix minus 1 0 0 5. If you observe this matrix, in this matrix we are having only diagonal elements are the non-zero elements and non-diagonal elements are the zero elements. So this is the diagonal state matrix or diagonal system matrix by using the diagonalization process. That is the concept of diagonalization and obtaining the diagonal state matrix by using the process of diagonalization. Thank you.